This compact Pulcro.io TK QBE Mini PC delivers snappy everyday performance thanks to its Intel N150 processor, 16 gigabytes of modern low-power memory, and a solid-state drive that keeps Windows 11 Pro feeling responsive. Triple HDMI outputs capable of driving 3 separate 4K displays at 60 Hz make it a strong choice for multi-monitor productivity, digital signage, or dense home office setups. Dual gigabit Ethernet, dual-band wireless networking, and Bluetooth with integrated antennas give it flexible, reliable connectivity, whether you are hardwiring to a router or relying on wireless links. Despite its small square footprint and light weight, the chassis stays quiet and energy efficient, which makes it well-suited for always-on roles like media servers or smart home controllers. Storage and memory can be configured to match your needs, so you can prioritize speed, capacity, or a balance of both without overbuying. Included accessories like the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and VESA mounting hardware make it easy to get this mini system installed cleanly behind a monitor or tucked out of sight.